Why is there an S at the beginning of «С днём рождения», «С Новым годом», «С Рождеством», and in front of every other celebration in Russian? This is the question that I've been asked recently, and I'm going to answer it in this video. By the way, my name is Diana. I was born and raised in Russia. I hold several master's degrees in linguistics and education, and for the last 20 years I've been teaching languages in colleges and universities in the US. So back to the question. The answer lies in the full form of this sentence. The full form in English sounds like, I wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Happy Birthday. The Russian equivalent of that is, Я поздравляю тебя с Рождеством. Мы поздравляем вас с днем рождения. So notice the verb поздравлять. In English, congratulate is used with on. In Russian, поздравлять is used with с. A side note here is that the Russian preposition s is always used with instrumental case, and that is why the following phrase or word always changes the endings after it. If you don't know about instrumental case, I'm going to leave a link to my video on it so you can take a look later. Meanwhile, here is a list of the most commonly used happy phrases in Russian. С Рождеством, с Новым годом, с днем рождения, с Международным женским днем, с Днем труда, с Днем независимости, с Днем благодарения. I'm very curious to know how you say happy birthday in your language, so please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Пока-пока!